How many times have you struggled to see and hear people on the far end, or for you to be equally seen and heard in your meeting? We've all been there. And what about being distracted by complex cabling, redundant equipment, and clunky installation in your rooms? Sounds familiar, right? What if there was a different way? We've designed the new Cisco Roomkit EQX, an integrated collaboration device solution to solve these exact challenges. The Roomkit EQX is an AI-powered video conferencing solution with a multi-lens camera system. With its 4 intelligent image sensors working seamlessly together, it can capture everyone around the table, enabling the most natural and equitable meeting experiences. In addition, the device supports directional audio that follows where the active speaker is displayed on the screen, creating truly lifelike hybrid discussions. An advanced audio system consisting of 6 high-performing loudspeakers, a bass speaker module, and an amplifier work in the background to produce rich, room-filling sound. It works with room peripherals, such as the latest digital microphones from Cisco that allow in-room participants to stay always heard and block out distracting noises. When you enter the room, the system just works. Join your meeting on any platform effortlessly, share content seamlessly, and enjoy the most immersive, multi-screen, audio-visual experience. It's that simple. Now I'm going to show you why the EQX is a game changer when it comes to video enabling your rooms. The EQX comes with premium frame design that keeps all your AV components and cabling out of sight, while mounting your displays is a breeze. This allows your teams to stay focused in a professional, clutter-free meeting room environment. Talking about the screens, the solution gives you the flexibility to bring your own 65 to 75-inch external displays. Using Microsoft Teams Rooms, it has you covered with a native integration infused with unique intelligence features. And it's all manageable in Control Hub for a centralized and comprehensive device admin and workspace management experience. This is the power of Roomkit EQX. And guess what? It's available now.